Today we make some easy money. We'll take some money from one website and we'll use it on another one. It's a beautiful strategy. It will make you a lot of money. So just hit that subscribe button. Then let's go. Kucoin.com as the name of the game. You will get your first coin in minutes. First of all, we will need ourselves an account here. Click and sign up, and of course just enter some simple information about yourself. Then you should go on these earning options. And there is something which is called Kucoin Earn. This option is very profitable. A lot of money is in there. So stick with me as I just explained to you. So you have these like profits here, which you have to invest a bit of your money into it. But you won't have to use your own money because I'm gonna show you how you can get some money for yourself. You even have some mining pools here, so you can just mine on Kucoin and then you can reinvest the money from Kucoin coin on Kucoin, if that makes sense. Enjoy the lowest mining fee here. You can mine BTC Bitcoin Cash as well, and some ETH whatever you want. It works all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you live. All that we will need in order to start using this smart pool is to get ourselves a good wallet. So get it from Binance, Coinbase, or you can get this Trust wallet. It's really good. Just take a look at these reviews. 4.5 out of 5 and they've got 10 million downloads on Google Play. Of course, you can get it on the App Store as well. Pretty nicely rated here as well, 4.7 out of 5. It's a good wallet, but in the end, you have a wallet here on Kucoin, so don't worry. You can use that as well and just involve yourself into these pools. You have these tutorials on their website, and you can use them as well, but you don't have to, and it's a pretty simple process. You just have to sign up and start the mining, and then you can just involve yourself on this coin earn option. But there is also this cloud mining. You have to pay a bit of money for that, but I'm gonna show you how it can get some money without much hassle. And it is on this website, which is called moonbitcoins.com. But before that, have that subscribe button. So moonbitcoins.com works in a very simple way. Just paste your wallet over here. You take your address, you paste it in here, and you just log in with it. Click on start, and then you just click on this beautiful button, start Bitcoin mining. But before that, you have to click on this hourly bounty, and this is just like some free faucet. You can get it each hour and you can see, congratulations, you have earned Bitcoin and the amount of this one. So this is just free faucet. Take yourself a timer because this is gonna be active again after 1 hour. And then after that, just click on start Bitcoin mining. After that, it's gonna be all on automatically. Dumb procedure, it's gonna be all done on autopilot. Just never close this mining window. Never close it because the money is gonna go. You wanna save that money, just leave this open and do whatever you want. You can go and make yourself a breakfast. Take yourself a coffee and this Bitcoin is just gonna come to you. Just take a look at this. You are getting these messages telling you which amount of Bitcoin you have just won. And this is going and going. Your wallet is gonna be filled up and you don't have to do nothing. And at Bitcoin nowadays, it's a good option to get some because the crisis is over 21,000 again. It's just gonna go up from here. Just take a look at this. In the last month, it's all in the green. You don't have to worry about it. Cause you'll have a lot of money by just mining. Moonbitcoins.com is doing its job. It's now all on autopilot. So you can just take that money and then you can reinvest it in Kucoin. But Kucoin also has this option, which is called crypto lending. So you can just lend your Bitcoin, your USDT if you want to someone and you will get an interest rate. You have this daily interest rate, so you can choose from 0 to 2%. That's a good money. But of course my suggestion, if you want to take some crypto, go on Nextro, click on individuals and click on earn interest. And this is where you can get 16% on your crypto. But what's better, you have unique payouts, so you get the money each take. You don't have to wait for a month. You have this calculator as well so you can see how much you can get. And with this one, you can just be the volatility of Bitcoin and crypto and you can earn some 16%. It's not a little amount. You have unique daily payouts, so you can just get that money each day, no waiting. And of course, zero fee. With Nixo on Trustpilot is killing the game. 4.5 out of 5, 9,000 reviews. It's a great gain all around. This platform are good commons for Nixo, so I highly suggest that you use it. But now there is even one more way, and this one is gonna be the active way to get some crypto. This website is called iempire.com, so make yourself an account here and you can see withdrawing options on this website are numerous. There are a lot of these options. Bitcoin, Litecoin, ETH, whatever you want to get on this website, you can get it. So there are even some games for skins and really you can choose for yourself. There is a lot of money to be made. So you can just go on these earning options and you can, for example, choose surveys. So if you like to do surveys, you can do a lot of them here. There is also these offer walls, certain offers or referral system, which is really nice, but there are these videos which I really like. When you take that option, you will be instantly redirected to this website, which is called Hideout TV. There are a lot of these videos and you can just watch yourself to rich. A lot of money is in here as well. So you can just go in, for example, watch this video and you get money for it. But the sweet thing about this one is that you don't even have to watch the entire video. You can just leave it run in the background and you can do whatever. You can just make yourself a lunch and just let this do itself. You just let it run. You go do whatever you want to and you get the money. Idle Empire made it possible, so you can just do whatever you want. Surveys, there are a lot of these surveys as well. So you can just go and start earning from all of these. The more of these you do, the more money you are gonna get. That's how it works. There are of course these referral sections as I've told you, but you don't have to waste time on this one. You don't have to waste time. There is 20% lifetime commission, but you can do it with your friends or family members. You don't have to do it online anymore. Whatever you do, ID bar is gonna get you some money for it. And just take a look at the Trust Pilot, 4.7 out of 9,000 reviews. It's a great website. A lot of these good comments as well. Just take a look. People think that it's a best site ever and this is really good website. People get a lot of money, so you can just choose to work on it while other websites are getting the money passively. So the important thing now is to combine all of these websites so you can get the most profits available, the most profits possible for you. So combine noonbitcoins.com, combine Kucoin as well. And of course, do not forget, Idle Empire, a lot of good offers here, a lot of surveys. And this passive income is maybe the best out there. So just use that, take some action, involve yourself, and that you have to invest time, and I will catch you later.